She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hello everyone, I'm Angela Strasta. Welcome back to my channel. So I lost some of the clips from my intro, so I will be explaining throughout the video. This is the reason why I was taking so long to post this video. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make max and max holder chain. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, I'm taking brown paper. You can as well as take newspaper or any rough paper. So the measurements are in centimeters because I didn't have measuring tape and I measured it through my scale. So after measuring, I'm cutting the paper and folding it half, likewise in the video, and again I'm folding it half, same like shown in the video. I'm showing this without cutting the clips so it will be easy for you to understand. So again, the measurements are in centimeters, not in inches. This measurement is according to my face, so it is going to be a little bit bigger because I have a big face. So I'm going to mark the points and join it freehand. But if you are confused to make the curves, you can also use circular plates or circular scale to carve it out. Now I'm going to cut the paper and I'm going to open it and see how I like the design, how I like the shape, and if I want to reshape it, I'm going to cut it again. So you can do it according to your preference. So as you can see, I have two-sided curves, but if you like it straight, the jawline or the base, you can cut it out according to your preference. So I'm using the leftover fabric from my thrift flip. So I'm going to trace the pattern and cut it 4 times, front and back. Now after cutting down the fabrics, I'm going to place the right side of the fabric facing each other to stitch. So altogether you have 4 fabrics, but you have to stitch only 2 fabrics facing each other, just like in this video. Now I'm going to slightly cut the curves to make it ease whenever you are turning the fabric. Now after stitching the fabrics together, we have to face the front side again facing to each other to stitch it all over. Now the rest is shown in the video. You have to repeat the same process. So if you want to add extra fabric, you can also add it in the middle of the 2 fabrics. Also, you have to remember that we are not going to stitch the sides of the fabrics because we have to fold it inside out. So please ignore the background noises because my neighbor's dogs wouldn't stop barking. Now after turning the fabrics inside out, we are going to iron it. So I'm filming half of the video with one hand and doing the work with another, so I hope you guys are understanding till now. So now for the side of the fabric, we are going to fold it and iron it so that it will be easy when we are stitching. Now for the elastic, you can also use the flat one as well as the round one. I'm using the flat one 0.25. For the measurement, I am measuring my ears. You can also do that so that it will be easy for you and perfect fit for you. And my measurements are 6 inches. So we have to insert the elastic in between 2 fabrics so that the finishing will look good. Also, while stitching the elastic, you have to give top stitch all over the max so that it will give you clean finishing. So this is the end result of the max and I am really liking it. And also the point to remember, this max doesn't have nose pin. And now for the max holder or max chain, I'm using the beads. I got it from Daraz. You can also get it from other online stores. I will make a separate video for that as well. I'm also using the 2 locks. You can also use jump rings or any other type of rings. And for the color palette, I decided to choose the colors from the fabric itself. So I started separating the beads. I chose purple, pink, white, green, blue. You can actually choose any colors you like or any type of beads or any chains you have. I just decided to choose the color of the fabrics. After that, I'm using a clear elastic. You can also use any type of thin wires or even threads. And for the length of the chain, it also depends on you, how long you want your chain to be or how short you want your chain to be. I decided to make it 23 inches, so you can do it accordingly, or you can make your own measurement. You can be so creative with this one, like you can add chains, you can add pearls, you can add charms, anything you like. I only had these things, so I added these. I also added evil eye charm. And in future, I'm also planning to make videos about small business, so that it will help you to build up your own small business and give you ideas and things like that. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel for those contents as well. Now for the hooks, you can also use jump rings, but I am just tying it to the hook directly. You can also glue it down. Making mask chain is actually really easy. It's just a little bit time consuming, that's it. Now put it in your marks. You can insert it in the marks and wear it. So watch me struggle placing it in the marks because I was filming it with one hand. Yes. Now the marks is ready, the chain is also ready, and this video is also coming to the end. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is how it looks. I lost my few clips. So yeah, thank you for watching. I still have the fabric left, so I'm planning to make a tote bag out of it, and I'm also planning to make a video out of it, so please stay tuned for that as well. I will post that soon.